Hello and welcome to a special episode of Kanga Crypto News. Today, we will recap the stories that shaped 2024. I have for you 12 probably the most important events that have happened, were crucial, and will influence the crypto market in the nearest future. But before we begin, remember that all information for Kanga Crypto News is gathered by experienced Kanga analysts based on reliable sources. Also, keep in mind this is not an investment advice. Kanga Crypto News episodes are released every week on Friday, so if you want to stay up to date with the most important information from the crypto world, subscribe to this channel, be sure to click the bell so you don't miss any important news. Bitcoin started 2024 with a slow pace, but by the end of the year, it shattered its previous all-time high, reaching over $108,000. Experts like Plan B, known for the stock-to-flow model, attribute this growth to a combination of institutional adoption and the halving cycle. Similarly, analyst Willy Woo highlighted the significant on-chain metrics indicating strong accumulation by long-term holders. As Kanga CEO Sławek Zawadzki noted in recent discussion, the rally underscores the resilience and growing mainstream appeal of Bitcoin, particularly in turbulent economic times. The increase in Bitcoin's value directly boosts the portfolio of holders and adds credibility to Bitcoin as a store of value. The rapid growth also raises concerns about potential market corrections and accessibility for small investors. Institutional demand and widespread adoption have been key drivers for the historic milestone. Donald Trump's victory in the 2024 US presidential election sent ripples across the financial markets, including crypto. Anthony Pompliano highlighted that Trump's pro-business stance could accelerate institutional adoption of Bitcoin. Caitlin Long emphasized the need for balanced regulation to foster innovation without stifling growth. This development affects the entire crypto ecosystem, particularly companies and investors based in the US. Trump's policies could encourage innovation and create a favorable environment for blockchain startups. On the flip side, his approach might polarize regulation, leading to uncertainty for some investors. Will Trump do something big with crypto? He has a good track record of positive impact on the economy. Elon has supported crypto projects in the past, so with him now being so close to the campaign and establishing the Doge department, I think something good might be coming. But what do you think? Leave a comment. Tesla and Apple joined the Bitcoin revolution this year, integrating it into their payment systems. Elon Musk stated during a Tesla earnings call, "Bitcoin aligns with our vision of sustainable energy and future-forward financial systems." Similarly, Apple announced, "Our integration of Bitcoin reflects our commitment to embracing innovative technologies that empower users." Having these two tech giants on board shows how Bitcoin is really setting its ground in the tech world. Bitcoin's network speed is now increased, with the Lightning Network undergoing significant upgrades, improving scalability and transaction speeds. For investors, enhanced scalability boosts Bitcoin's competitiveness against other digital payment systems, increasing its adoption potential. On the downside, technical challenges and adoption hurdles still exist. We need to remember that Bitcoin does not only compete with electronic currency, but also with other cryptocurrencies when it comes to payments. Some are faster, some are slower. We'll see where Bitcoin lies. Bitcoin ETFs launched in October sparked a buying spree of institutional investors. Ethereum wasn't left behind, with ETFs debuting later in the year. These investment vehicles have brought unprecedented liquidity to the crypto market. As highlighted on Kanga's general YouTube channel, the introduction of these ETFs is a game changer that could redefine how traditional investors interact with the crypto space. Do you agree? Let me know in the comments. Ethereum unveiled its 3.0 version, introducing enhanced scalability and security. This upgrade cements Ethereum's position as a backbone of decentralized applications and smart contracts. According to Kanga analysis, Ethereum 3.0 may be the catalyst for another wave of decentralized innovation, further solidifying its dominance in the blockchain ecosystem. In the regulatory arena, the US passed the Financial Innovation and Technology for the 21st Century Act, FIT21, set to take effect in 2025. This landmark legislation aims to provide a clear framework for digital assets, focusing on balancing innovation with investor protection. It impacts developers, exchanges, and crypto startups by creating an environment where compliance is standardized and more predictable. Meanwhile, Europe's MiCA framework is setting global standards for crypto regulation. MiCA emphasizes consumer protection and market integrity, requiring transparency from crypto firms. For investors, these regulations could reduce fraud and increase trust in the market. However, critics argue that overly stringent rules might stifle innovation and limit smaller companies' ability to compete. Together, these regulatory advancements mark a pivotal moment in the crypto industry's journey towards mainstream legitimacy. MiCA will finally come into force in 2025 and 2026, depending on the country in the European Union. Do you live in the European Union? How do you feel about these changes? Let us know. Blockchain gaming saw a revolution with the release of Off the Grid, breaking the stigma of low-quality blockchain games. This title is poised to redefine Web3 gaming and attract mainstream gamers. Why is it important? Games make up a significant part of blockchain technology. Their image is important for the entire market. So whether you are a gamer or not, this news is still important and relevant in shaping how crypto will come forward. Ripple's XRP scored a major win against the SEC, ending a years-long legal battle. Brad Gerlinghouse, CEO of Ripple, celebrated the decision, stating that it represents a critical step forward for the entire crypto industry. Legal experts also highlighted the implications of this case, suggesting it sets a clear precedent for how digital assets might be classified in the future. Investors in XRP gained confidence in the asset's legitimacy, potentially driving its price higher. However, lingering uncertainties about broader regulatory clarity remain. Following Trump's election victory, SEC Chairman Gary Gensler announced his resignation. His tenure was marked by continuous regulatory battles with the crypto industry. This resignation concerns the regulatory environment in the US and impacts the broader crypto market. For investors, Gensler's departure could signal a shift toward a more innovation-friendly regulatory framework under a new administration. However, the absence of clear leadership might lead to short-term uncertainty. Chongpeng Zhao, former CEO of Binance, served a brief 4-month prison sentence this year. Upon his release, CZ hinted a new chapter, sparking speculation about his future in the crypto space. CZ's legal challenges have raised questions about Binance's long-term stability, but his return could bring renewed focus to the platform's growth and innovation. Nonetheless, regulatory scrutiny on Binance remains a significant challenge. And finally, MicroStrategy's aggressive Bitcoin accumulation paid off, earning the companies a spot in the NASDAQ 100. Michael Saylor commented, "This is not just about the company's growth, but about demonstrating the power of Bitcoin as a treasury asset in modern finance. This move underscores the increasing intersection of traditional finance and crypto. However, huge increases can bring huge decreases." So what do you think about it? Subscribers and those who have not yet subscribed to our channel, subscribe now. What does MicroStrategy entry into the NASDAQ 100 mean? Did you buy any master calls or puts? Let us know in the comments. So now, as 2024 comes to an end, we can look back on the year that redefined the crypto landscape. It's clear that the world of blockchain and digital assets is evolving faster than ever. How do you sum up the 2024 overall? Have your investments paid off? I hope yes. Let me know in the comments. Thank you for you joining us on this journey. Be sure to subscribe, share your thoughts in the comments, and stay tuned for more updates as we dive into what 2025 holds for crypto. Until next time, stay informed.
We are Kanga, beyond crypto.